Fela will say, I don't come again. Fela, you don't come again. Dr. Apoki, you don't come again. I've come again with the truth and reality. You see, I learned to face reality. I want to talk about inheritance laws and the African female. The African female includes our wives, our mothers, and our daughters. Inheritance laws. There's something I find very, very annoying. A man will die. Members of his family that have not contributed anything to his well-being and to the well-being of his family will come and sit the wife down. Where are the properties of our brother? Where is this? Where is that? Where is that? What kind of stuff is that? These people have been building their lives together. Even if they are newly married. If your brother was sleeping with a hookup girl, 50,000 naira a night, calculate the amount of money he should have been paying to his wife for sleeping with her for 10 years. Then you will know how much your brother died and left. If your brother was hiring a steward, a cook to be cooking for him, then somebody to be taking care of his clothes, calculate how much he will have paid to that woman for the last 10 years. If you have a governess in the house that comes to manage the house and take care of the household for 10 years, by the time you calculate how much your brother will have paid for sex, how much your brother will have paid for cleaning the house, how much your brother will have paid for taking care of the children, how much your brother will have paid for a test tube baby, and your brother's wife just delivers piam 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 as if nothing is happening, then you come and pose what is left. So you want her to go home to her people empty-handed, wicked people. Everything we own is Dr. Apoki Charles and Mrs. Felicia Apoki, not Dr. and Mrs. Apoki. Please stop that nonsense. If you have been writing that, Dr. and Mrs. Apoki, any person can be Mrs. Apoki, is Dr. Apoki Charles and Mrs. Felicia Apoki. Guarantee her future. We must, you say he anoints the Bible says that, and Sarah called Abraham Lord. Let's go to Psalm 23. He anoints my head with oil, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Once a wife gets a guarantee of a future in the husband's house, she will labor all her life into the man's life. So please, let's treat our wives with respect and guarantee their future. The next thing is inheritance laws when it concerns daughters. You will see a daughter that is a magistrate, and then you see a younger brother that is not as smart as the magistrate, or as smart as the medical doctor, or as smart as the principal of a secondary school. The father dies, they will not carry all the inheritance and give to one reckless senior son, lazy, lousy senior son. My experience, what I've seen in this part of the country, is that senior son will squander everything, and then the legacy of the man will collapse and expire. If a boy in a family is the eldest and he is an idiot, if there is a female that is more responsible, more productive, more reliable, more relevant, she should be placed in to head that business. Particularly if she's older than that boy. She should be placed. And our daughters should not be deprived of our inheritance. Inheritance is not a reward, it is a responsibility to carry the legacy from one generation to the other. There's a multi-billion naira company in Lagos called Ladol Group of Companies. It's a girl that is managing it. Sabanci Foundation in Turkey that pays 5% of the annual tax of Turkey is managed by a woman. If Africa must progress, we must stop this attitude of taking wealth and giving to irresponsible sons that cannot manage them well. Most times, women are very wonderful managers. I remain your friend, Dr. Charles Apoki. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel, share it so that we can bring light to Africa. God bless you.